Have you ever wondered that thousands of years ago, there existed a civilization on this earth whose cities had proper drainage systems, well-planned streets, and brick houses? While the people of Egypt and Mesopotamia were still lost in ancient mists, an unknown society in the Indian subcontinent was building a city whose name remains shrouded in mystery even today. Who were they? How did they come? And where did they disappear? Let's embark on a terrifying journey back in time. The mystery of the Indus Civilization, Lesson 1. The time is around 3300 BCE. In the northwestern part of India, what is today Pakistan, and the states of Punjab, Haryana, and parts of Gujarat, one of the oldest civilizations of the world emerged, the Indus Civilization. People living along the banks of the Indus River gradually developed an extraordinary social system. They had organized urban planning, advanced engineering, and an amazingly orderly way of life. Imagine, at a time when most of the world's population still lived as nomads, they were building permanent cities, using wells and bathrooms, and draining water through proper sewage systems. This was the Harappan civilization, which we know today as the Indus Civilization. The story of this civilization came to light around the 1920s when British archaeologists began excavations at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in present-day Pakistan. Beneath the soil, a lost city emerged. Brick houses, wells, drainage systems, warehouses, and mysterious seals with cryptic inscriptions. At first, people thought it was just a capital of a kingdom, but later it became clear that this was an entire civilization, spreading over nearly 1.2 million square kilometers. Imagine, no other urban system of such scale existed anywhere else in the world at that time. The people of the Indus Civilization were skilled farmers, traders, and artisans. They cultivated cotton, created pottery, and conducted trade over long distances via rivers. Their houses were made of baked bricks, and streets were straight, connecting each other at perfect 90-degree angles, just like modern city planning. Every house had bathrooms and sewage lines, drainage systems that were 1,000 years ahead of their time. Their cities had grain storage houses, massive warehouses to store food, proving that they worked collectively and lived in an organized society. The seals they left behind contained mysterious scripts that no one has yet fully deciphered. These inscriptions could perhaps tell us who they were, their religion, and how their political system worked. Their sculptures depict a figure known as Proto-Shiva, which many believe to be an ancient form of Shiva. This suggests that traces of later Hindu religious practices might be hidden within this civilization. But how did such an advanced civilization suddenly vanish? Some say rivers dried up due to climate change. Others claim catastrophic floods submerged the cities. Some believe the arrival of the Aryans might have ended them. Yet there is no conclusive evidence. Even today, this question remains one of the greatest mysteries of history. Why did the Indus Civilization disappear? The civilization that shaped our earliest history, whose touch still remains on the Indian subcontinent, still lies hidden beneath the earth. But the question remains, have they really disappeared? Or do their bloodlines still flow within us? We will find out in the next lesson, who were the people of the Indus Civilization? And one question that will never have an easy answer, could parts of this ancient civilization still be hidden around us today? If you want to uncover this mystery and hear more astonishing stories of history, subscribe to our channel now and don't forget to